Namaste. Respected teachers, parents and dear students, this video is on demand. That is, what are the important things we should remember while writing board examination? What are the tips to score more marks in social science? What are the important things I remember that I am copying here? Reach the exam center on time with the necessary materials. That is very important. The most important thing about social science paper is to detach the map from the question paper and attach with the answer book. Keep it or keep them inside answer book and tie. Yes, the map, sometimes more than one map pages may be there, that you keep inside the answer book and tie it properly. In case of graph paper also, don't forget to tie along with the answer book. If you find one question or few questions difficult, leave them and write other answers. While you skip the questions and write next question's answer, remember to copy the question number properly without mistake. The questions unanswered can be written last. Mark of each answer is entered on the first page of answer book, covering page, so no need to worry about it. It will be properly written. The marks will be carried on to the front page. So don't write same answer again and again by thinking that you will get mark. The evaluator will put mark again and again. Don't repeat the same answer. That is very important. We used to find like that. If a student who is having correct answer, very less answers only he knows or she knows, sometimes they repeat the same answer again and again. But understand that in the covering page of the answer book, one column for one answer, one question number. So like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that it is written. Against that, the mark should be written, entered. Then, as marks are copied on the covering page, manipulation will be easily identifiable. So, I know you will not do like that. Just mentioning, if you feel that, oh, I remember some more points, you can write. Children used to write balance of question number 25. Like that, I used to see, I have seen like that, some balance they will write in another page. So in the first answer also you mentioned, some more I wrote on the page so and so. Or and you write, while you are repeating in another page, you can write continuation. This is not always occurring sometimes. Sometimes children feel that, oh, I forgot to write 2, 3 lines there, I should have written. If that way situation comes, you can write. That really, don't make it as a habit. And understand that teachers love and like to give you more marks if you are deserving. That is the thing. If you are deserving, definitely they will give you a mark even if you written in an additional page like that. I am telling you continuation, not repetition of the same answer. Otherwise, you have to simply cut down the first page and the answer earlier you wrote, then full answer you write, adding the points which you missed earlier, that way. Then inside the margin, question number only. Points can be written on the right side of the margin. Yes. On the margin side, you write just the question number. Then, suppose 13th question, suppose here I have given an example, 13th question, you are having 3 points. Suppose which are the list of federal government in India, which are the subjects coming under central government, state government, and both central and state government, that we call central list, state list, and concurrent list. Like that these are the sub points you write there on the right side of the margin. And in junior classes or in LKG, UKG, smaller classes, you used to have the habit of question, then answer, question, answer, like that you used to write down the margin. Don't write answer like that. Answer 16, answer 17. The answer should be clear on the margin, so it will be it will be more transparent. And if you are writing answer like that, it will be time consuming. Then, 6th point, after writing each answer, it is good to draw a line. But during the supervision, I have noticed that children are spending too much time for taking pencil and scale. So better to draw after writing, checking all answers. Even if you didn't draw, no problem. Then, in assertion reason questions, first of all, see that both statements are true. If it is so, that is both A and R are true, you can understand that the answer can be option A or B. So, assertion A, reason R, both are true. The answer will be option A or option B. So read the R several times. I am preferring even in cool time you do like that. R, just read and understand the meaning and connect it with the assertion. And if it is the correct explanation, you can choose it as option A. And if it is not correct explanation, you can choose B if both statements are true. According to mark, you write the answer. For very short answer, what should be the answer? Very long answer, what should be the answer? You should have an idea to write the content. Sometimes you have to write a lot, but it may be very less mark, maybe it may be having. But sometimes very less only you have to write. But the question is for more larger mark, higher mark, larger mark. That can also happen. The in-choice question, mention the heading of the answer and write. Okay, for example, what are the features of federalism? What are the features of federalism? What are the suggestions and reforms of political parties in India? Suppose like that one question comes, it is an internal choice. Which question you are going to answer? It is better to write that question, that choice, that heading also you write. What is it? Suppose you are writing reforms and suggestions of political parties in India, in our country, that is written in our textbook in India. You write the heading and write down the answer. Or features of federalism, write the heading and write down the answer. Just simply I am mentioning that. And one thing also I want to tell you is in maths examination, please carry new scale to get more accuracy, whatever you are measuring that way. And pencil, pen, everything should be ready. That is very important. Then another thing, why I have taken this video now is because of the coronavirus. You children, you lost several days, offline days, correct school days you lost, and you are having a long learning gap you are having. Isn't it? After 7th standard, you are sitting in 10th standard, 8 and 9 real classes you lost, and you are sitting in 10th standard like that. So you are losing some, don't mind them. You a great future, a good future is awaiting for you. A bright future is awaiting for you. Be confident and go and write examination. A request for you children, if my videos you found easy and useful, after examination please comment it in my comment box, because I am getting from other sources that you said it is good, it is correct, it is helpful for you, but it may be more useful to the coming generation if you are writing in the comment box itself that it is useful. So the people who want that, they will watch it. Thanks a lot, all of you. Thanks a lot. A person who took all my videos, majority of my videos. Thank you.